Hi, good evening. Today, let me give you some tips how to use articles. We know articles can be of two types, definite and indefinite. Definite article is conveyed by the. The is the definite article. Indefinite. In English language, we have two indefinite articles. They are a and an. A and. A is placed before the consonant sound and an is placed before vowel sound. You know well, in English language we have totally 44 sounds. 44 sounds. Out of them we have 20 vowel sounds and 24 consonant sounds. Any word which begins with consonant sound will take indefinite article a. So a for consonant sounds, and any word which begins with vowel sound can take the indefinite article an. So an for vowel sound. For example, let me briefly give you vowel sounds. A, E, I, O, A, not U. Vowels are A, E, I, O, A. These are the basic vowel sounds. A, E, I, O, A. Any word begins with any one of these primary vowel sounds can take article an, and the rest can be called consonant sounds. So before consonant sound we have to use article a. For example, elephant. So a, an elephant. Eagle. So an eagle. Island. It is island. So article an island. Opinion, an opinion. Then umbrella, an umbrella. So a, E, I, O, A. These are primary vowel sounds. So they will have to take article an. Then let us discuss consonant sounds. Consonants. Simple. Ka, ga, cha, ja, ta, da, na, ta, da, na, pa, ba, ma, ya, ra, la, va, se, sha, ha, la. So these are all consonant sounds. So any word begins with a consonant sound can take article a. So cow, a cow. Goat, a goat. Chance, a chance. Joke, a joke. Teacher, a teacher, and so on, like this. So before consonant sound we have to use article a. Then let us discuss definite article the. The is considered as the definite article. Simple. The definite. Definite means which is only one, which remains unique, which is only one. What are only ones? Simple. Sun, one. Moon, one. Sky, one. Earth, one. Taj Mahal, one. Arabian Sea, one. Atlantic Ocean, one. Pacific Ocean, one. Charminar, one. Ganga River, one. So which remains only one will take definite article. The very simple technique, very simple. So only one, that will take definite article the. So clear? Then let me conclude my video. That is, all abstract nouns. All abstract means we can't be able to see, we can't be able to touch, we can't see. They can be called abstract nouns. So before such abstract nouns we don't use articles. For example, honesty. It is a quality of a person. So quality can't be seen, quality can't be touched. So we don't use any article before such abstract nouns. Then any noun, anything which can't be counted, which can't be counted 1, 2, 3, 4. So before such nouns